Okay, so you can see that I've got two currency pairs going, the Euro USD and the Euro Japanese, pretty much because their movers don't hang around too long. We are very early in the week, just past the Sunday evening line there, and now into very early Monday morning. So I've currently got a signal just here, and I'm looking for an up. So at the close of the candle there, I've got my buy stop order ready for 10, and as you can see here, I've got a sell signal, and just here I've got a sell stop order ready to go downwards. So we'll see how those go. And I'll get back to you when something happens. Okay, looks like we've probably got a goer here coming up. Sorry, I'll just draw that properly. Just this one here we'll be able to get. Doesn't look like the Euro Japanese is going to work out there. So I'll come back hopefully when this one here takes out on the Euro USD 1 minute. Oh, and just by the way, you'll see that I've got my 1 minute charts open here, and these lines here are just my grid builder, so I can see in a real time what's happening in real time, or in a time-based chart, right, in comparison to my Renko. So if we go to here, if I go to this chart here, you can see that just there is my, that's where the start of the week is, which is this here. That there is currently still all of that there. Still this one candle happening here. Okay, so there's the power of Renko. It just tells you exactly what's happening when it comes down to price movement only, and nothing to do with time. Okay, so as you can see, we've been taken out just here. Just there, I've taken out that that buy stop. That's not going to happen, that particular one over there. So we're going to keep in this Euro USD we're currently in. As you can see, we're only going for 10 pips. We only try and get that once a day, that's it. It's a good little supplement for your income, however you make it. So now, hopefully I'll come back and we would have taken this one out. And we're hopefully going to get a reversal signal here, and then we'll have a think about going south on that, if that be the case. Okay, I just want to show you a little trick. We're still waiting for that to come out here. So just in the meantime, I just want to show you a little trick here where we straddle the market. We've got the Euro Japanese here, and we've got a buy parabolic signal there. We were up here, but seeing that we've managed to come down a little further, really what we should be doing is placing our buy stop order at this grid reference here, which is 103,800. Now also, what we can do is, after placing that, we can have it straddle the current price at the next grid reference after the parabolic. If that parabolic is broken, I'll just grab my screen drawer there. So if this parabolic here is actually broken, then we will we'll end up getting a reversal signal somewhere up here. Okay, so what we can do is predict the fact if that is broken and we do get the reversal signal up there, we want to put a sell stop pending order at the next grid reference. So what we would do is we would have it sit just here at 103,400. Okay, so that's what I'm just about to do. So we'll put a pending order, sell stop. Okay. 3, 2, right, no, 6. And 3.3. Okay, so now we've just placed a okay, so there's a predictive sell stop order, and now what we'll do is we'll place our buy stop at 103,800. We've got a 600. Oops. 600. 103,900.9. Okay, so there we've got, we're now currently sitting in the market straddling it, so that if we get price movement this way and it paints our Renko block with a signal, we're predicting that the signal will come through just by all logic that will be the case when this particular one here is broken. So it will block off here, and then the next block that's drawn just there, there'll be a bit parabolic there, and we will at its close we'll be taken out in a sell stop. Or if this was to reverse this way, when that is fully painted between here and here, at the close we'll be taking out it as a buy stop, hopefully to go one way or the other. So that's a little trick to predict the market and straddle it using this method. Okay, so it looks like that we're most likely are going to get taken out in an actual reversal here. So the case will be, if that is true, then we will wait for a full reversal signal to martingale. So here we are, just here. We are in the trade. We're taken out there. Looks like we're going to go for a reversal. So if we get taken out, we'll do nothing until there is a reversal of the parabolic signal there. So we will let that go. As for the other side there, we're still not in a trade. So we're still not in a trade. We're still straddling the market, as you can see there, there, and there. Right. So if that was to go north, there we'll be in a trade. In that particular one. It's important not to martingale using two different currency crosses, just the one. So you're only doing a martingale sequence off the one currency cross, not two. It would get too confusing, or multiple, and you wouldn't know where you're up to. Also, there's more probability risk with doing it across several pairs. All right, so if we get taken out here, I'll come back and tell you about it. Well, it obviously looked like I was wrong. I love being wrong. We now probably will be getting taken out in this direction. And that's probably just proof in the pudding that the reason why you need a good strategy and a good recovery strategy. If you do lose, then what do you do instead of just losing? Because most of the time the predictability of the market is impossible, and you cannot, and you'll never be able to predict it. So therefore, you need a strategy that's just very mechanical and gives you an exit point for losses and wins. So there you have it. We've been taken out, and everything's a goer. Just to show you over here, we've managed to pick up our $100 for the day, and we should be right. Coming back to our Euro Japanese, we may get taken out there. I would, because I've taken out that Euro USD, I would delete both of those and just leave it at that for the day. That's how I trade, so that I'm not sitting here all day. Some people like to get a little bit more involved, but I'm happy with that. That's just my personal life. That's what I want to get. But I'll leave this open for today, just hopefully so that I can flesh out this video for everyone. Okay, so now you can see we've been taken out by the our pending order there has been taken out. So now I'm going to actually delete this one here, right, because we've got two signals here, as I said earlier, that we'd probably be getting. So my prediction was right. We do have two signals there because we've broken here, this parabolic here. So I'll now delete that that pending order sitting as the buy stop. So I'll just delete that one. Okay, so now we're in order going south on the Euro Japanese. Hopefully we'll keep taking that one out. Okay, so it looks like we've come out of this trade here. It's come down. I believe we entered around about there, came out there. So as you can see, it's trend following. It waits for a breakout. Now what we'll have to do for these both of these currency crosses, I won't trade again, but we'll be looking for a reversal indication there and a reversal indication there, and we'll go north on both of them, or one, and that'll probably be sometime tomorrow. Now I'll have a look here. So there's our two winning trades for today, and that's it.